Let's have a look at effective respiratory care for the whole family. This is the Beurer IH28 PRO Nebuliser. Inside the box you'll find the full set, a manual, a nebulizer unit with a storage compartment as well, an air hose, and a medicine container. In the storage compartment you will find an adult and child mask, a nose piece, a mouthpiece, a nasal douche, an elbow attachment, and 10 filters. For hygiene, we recommend replacing the accessories every year. This device breaks medication into fine particles. This little plastic part is very important. If you lose it, no vapor will come out. Something important, please don't put thick or oily liquids into the nebulizer like Vicks or anything with a high viscosity. Only use saline solution or medications with a thin water-like consistency as recommended by your doctor. With the nasal douche, you can gently rinse your nasal passages. And just so you know, the power cable is neatly stored at the back of the unit for convenience. This is a certified medical grade product backed by Beurer's 5-year warranty and years of trusted German engineering. Breathe better, recover fast, and feel better with Beurer.